Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. My name is Hasfazila. In this video, I will show you the overview of topics covered in this chapter. Alright, let's get started. This chapter requires that you already have some knowledge on sampling distribution such as binomial, normal, t-distribution, chi-square, and f-distribution. The expectation after you complete all the slides for this topic are you will be able to explain the concept of point and interval estimations, calculate confidence interval for a single mean, proportion and variance, difference between two means, two proportions, and ratio of two variances, and determine the sample size. This topic is organized by parts. Click on the parts module to view all the works for this chapter. It is important for everyone to try out the review exercises and quiz provided in order to test the understanding on each subtopic. In statistics, estimation refers to the process by which one makes inferences about a population based on information obtained from a sample. Statisticians use sample statistics to estimate population parameters. For example, sample means are used to estimate population means and so on. An estimate of a population parameter may be expressed in two ways: point estimate and interval estimate. A point estimate of some population parameter is a single value of a statistic. A good estimator must satisfy three conditions: unbiased, smallest variance, and consistent. The checking of good estimator will be covered in detail in the first part. The process of point estimation involves utilizing the value of a statistic that is obtained from sample data to get the best estimate of corresponding unknown parameters either for one population or for more than one population. Next, let's move on to the interval estimation. Unlike point estimation, the interval estimation uses sample data to calculate the interval of the possible values of an unknown parameter of the population, which will be covered in Part 2 and Part 3. When the interval estimate has a confidence level attached, it is called a confidence level. A confidence level of an interval estimate of a population parameter is the probability that the interval estimate will contain the parameter. The most common confidence interval used is 95%. There are many ways to find confidence intervals, depending on what kind of data you have and what you are trying to find the interval. For example, mean, proportion, or variance. The formula and distribution used to find the confidence interval will depend on either it is for one population or more than one population. Therefore, please be careful to identify what type of interval that you wish to find. Last to be covered in this topic will be the sample size estimation. Sample size determination is necessary in survey research in which the goal is to make inferences about population. To choose the correct sample size, it can be calculated using several ways, such as using the information about target population or using the confidence level. Determining the appropriate design of a study is equally important as the statistical analysis. Therefore, please choose the right statistic for estimation. Should you have any questions or concerns after you have gone through all the slides, please do not hesitate to contact any of the content developer for this course. I hope that you will enjoy the rest of topics in this course.